let's check out ways to make money on the beach. Nowadays, it's easier than ever. Creating a video like this about how to make money online and how to make money at the beach is kind of foreign to me, because if you don't know how, in this day and age, to make money at the beach, that means you don't know how to make money online, and I can't really understand how people don't understand how to make money online, because in this day and age, it's so simple, and the possibilities are endless. I'm somebody who had 8 years of formal education at the university, and I was a civil engineer for 6.5 years, and by far that was the hardest times in my life. Making money at the beach has been the simplest thing I've ever done, and it has been something that's made the most sense to me. And nowadays, it's so easy to get paid from remote sources, and you no longer have to be at a physical location anymore. And if you believe in your heart that you can make this work, then some of these possibilities may be for you. Now today, I have a very special guest joining me, my girl Kat.
Hi guys, I'm Kat Theo. Thanks so much for checking us out right now. Okay Marissa, let's get on with the video.
Now Kat and I are going to be giving you 10 real ways you can make money from the beach just chillin'. So if one idea pops up in your head today and you think, oh my god, that sounds really cool, I like the sounds of that, follow that instinct, do your due diligence, look it up, and go for it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so way number 1, if we're wanting to look for remote work where you can actually work remotely, not in a permanent position in, let's say, the US, you can head over to themuse.com. It's one of the premier websites that I've found in my research for remote work. Now, what I like about themuse.com is that it matches you with something, a career you're actually passionate about. So you can go head to their search bar and narrow it down by remote work. And the cool thing is you can also narrow it down more by the industry you want, such as marketing, public relations, stuff like that. The staff at themuse.com take these positions very seriously. They even offer trainings and courses to prepare you to be the best candidate to get these jobs. So if that interests you, head over to the Muse. Alright, the second way to make money on the beautiful beach, on the topic of remote work, another website that I really love is called Espresso. Now, I really like this website because you can post your resume, it's free to use, and the staff really takes their job listings seriously. So these positions and these listings are literally reviewed every day by the staff, and they change daily. So that's good because that means more options for you. The other thing I know about Espresso is that they have a network of approximately 8,000 remote workers, so you know it's legit. Get started today on Espresso. Post your resume for free, and they'll help you showcase your resume to all different kinds of employers. I wanted to talk to you guys about a job you can do, especially if you are bilingual. If you are bilingual, you have the advantage because there's several different translations jobs that you can do. And the first thing I wanted to tell you about was a website called Gengo, Gengo.com. So you can start translating, it's free to sign up, and you can start making anywhere from 3 cents to 4 cents per word. So if you're translating a blog, that's 1,000 words, that's easily $30 to $40 per blog post. So talking about being bilingual, you also have the advantage if you are a freelancer and you are from Latin America or you are Portuguese, because there is a website called Workana, Workana, and it is specifically for freelancers that are Latino and that are Hispanic or Portuguese. So the competition is down. So as opposed to all the other freelancing websites, you have the advantage because there's no other countries on that website. It's only designed, obviously, if you are Hispanic. So you can check out that website, workana.com. If you are a freelancer and you want a lot less competition, you're more than likely going to be able to bid for a job and get a job faster. Now, this website is free to sign up and you can start applying right away. Continuing on the subject of remote work, you can head over to a website called authenticjobs.com, and think of authenticjobs.com as a giant remote working blog that went absolutely viral. And think of companies like Tesla, Nike, and Apple, and Facebook. All of these companies have previously posted remote work job opportunities on this website. So clients are charged to post jobs on this website, and which means for you, the good news, it's totally free to sign up and start looking for job posts and start applying. The only downside of this website is that majority of the jobs are for developers, but there are definitely opportunities for creators and designers on this website. So go ahead and check it out. Now, to continue right along, I wanted to mention one of my favorite ways to make money on the beach, and that is travel blogging. Now, I know you may have heard of the term blogging and being a blogger before, but literally, if you enjoy writing, social media, and photography, travel blogging could be literally the dream travel job for you. What do most people do while they're on vacation? They're on their phone reading travel blogs, trying to figure out things to do, trying to figure out places to eat, and there's tons of traffic to these blogs, and there's never too much competition. There's always room for you to start your own travel blog. Now, at first, your blog will have zero traffic, but eventually, with hard work and dedication, anywhere from 6 months to 12 months of posting on this blog, you can have a blog bringing in for you passively anywhere from $10,000 a month to $20,000 a month. So if you're not convinced yet, here's some fresh new ways that you may not have known on how to monetize your travel blog. So the first way are banner ads. Now, we've all seen banner ads. They're those little pop-up flashy ads that go on a website that annoy you, but hey, you get paid for hosting people's banner ads on your blog because they pay you to host their content. A Twitter chat. Once you have a lot of Twitter followers, you can host Twitter chats on your blog, and people will contact you to host their Twitter chats. These typically pay around $300 each and last approximately 1 hour. Now, the next thing is called press trips. Now, this is literally a trip where you get paid to travel somewhere around the world. It's a tourism board or a tour company who invites you to do their experiences and share your experiences on your blog. And they do this because obviously your blog has a huge amount of traffic. They want to share their destination with your audience. They want to get eyeballs to their destination so they can get more people. I mean, the deal will typically include flights, transportation, food, and entertainment for the duration of the trip. Now, you could even be a blogger that doesn't have a huge audience yet. These tourism boards go on quality of the blog more so than quantity of the blog. Now, the last cool way to make money from your blog is to take amazing videos and photos. If you have cool YouTube videos on your blog and awesome pictures on your blog, these destination hotels and other resorts are going to want to pay you for them to either take your photos and use them on their website, or for you to take photos for them so that they can have way better content to promote their hotel or destination or resort, whatever it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Head on over to Kat's channel.
Great tips, Marissa. Okay, let's go back to my channel and get the rest of the tips. Let's go.
She's awesome. She's the bomb. Make sure you subscribe to her channel, but she's going to tell you the rest of the ways to make money while chilling on the beach.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys later.